Everybody, welcome back to another episode on Kristie vs. Kitchen. Now, story time. The other day, I was scrolling through Instagram and I follow a lot of food accounts. And I came across this post that was called a Dutch baby. And I was like, what the heck is a Dutch baby? So the more I looked at it, the more I realized that my mom used to totally make this for us growing up. We just called it something completely different. We called it German pancakes. And I was like, oh my gosh, I have not had this in such a long time. I've never made it before, so I've got to make it for you guys. But while I was in this rabbit hole, I came across another pancake recipe that is made in a baking sheet. So it's essentially like one giant pancake, and I was like, okay, we gotta try this too. Now the cool part about pancakes is that you can get a variety of different pancakes, all based on the proportions of how much eggs you use and how much flour you use, because pancakes are essentially all the same ingredients. So I'm really excited today to create for you a Dutch baby and hopefully create another extremely delicious pancake. I've got all the ingredients to get started, so we are going to begin with the Dutch baby. All right, so the first thing you need to do is preheat your oven to 400 degrees, and then you need a blender because we are going to be making both recipes in a little blender. I think you could hand mix it, but this is just gonna make it a lot more easy and convenient. So the first thing we're going to do is add in 3 eggs. We are going to need 1.5 tablespoons of sugar. Pinch of salt. I hate when they do this because I don't know what a pinch is. And we need vanilla, which is 2 teaspoons. 3/4 cups of all-purpose flour. We need 1 tablespoon of butter melted. We need 3/4 cup of milk warm. All right, I think I'm just gonna put it in the microwave for like 30 seconds. So while that's heating up, I am going to put 2 tablespoons of butter in here, and I'm gonna put it in the oven because we want the butter to be nice and sizzling before we pour the batter in. Okay, feels warm to me. Now for the fun part. So we're just gonna wait for the butter to heat up, but the batter is ready to go. All right, the butter is all sizzling, so now we just need to add the batter. All right, while that's baking, let's move on to our sheet cake pancake. We are going to add 2 large eggs. Now remember, I said that, you know, these pancake recipes, it's essentially the same ingredients, just different proportions, and you're gonna see why. So we just need 2 eggs, 2.5 cups of milk, 1 tablespoon of vanilla. We're gonna need 2 3/4 cup of flour, 2 tablespoons of baking powder, a 1/4 cup of sugar, a 1/2 teaspoon of salt. We'll just call that good. And then we need 4 tablespoons of unsalted melted butter. Now we are just gonna blend this. Okay, we're gonna help this out. I guess it is kind of gonna be like it's not a cake batter. I mean, like it's still, I guess it is, it's like pancake batter thickness. So I guess that's right. All right, so before you put the batter into the baking sheet, make sure to generously apply butter. There's a lot of butter in this recipe, so grease it as such. All right, here we go. Let's pour this batter into the pan. Okay, so the recipe says that you can put fruit into it. I personally like blueberries with my pancakes, so we're gonna add some blueberries inside. Change plans, I don't have enough blueberries, so we are just going to do some strawberries. The pancake sheet cake is done and ready to go into the oven. It's supposed to be baked at 425, but I'm gonna go ahead and put it in with the Dutch baby. And when the Dutch baby is done, I'll go ahead and kick the heat up and then let it finish baking. It's cute, right? Look at that, it's baking beautifully. Ooh. Oh my gosh, it's perfect. All right, so our Dutch baby is beautiful. We're just gonna let it cool. We're gonna finish and wait for the pancake sheet. We gotta come up with a name for it. To finish, and then we are going to try these. I can't even tell you, these look amazing. This looks amazing already. I can't even describe to you what it smells like because it smells incredible. So I can only imagine it's gonna taste even better. Look at that. All right, you guys, both pancakes are done. Look how beautiful this is. This is the biggest pancake I have ever made. We are going to let this cool off just a little bit and then we are going to try it. I'm really curious if I'm gonna like this one. I already know I'm gonna love this one. So, all right, I'll see you guys in just a few minutes. Okay, so the pancakes are done. This German pancake looks just like how Mom makes it. That's amazing. Very good. Okay, now for this one. I'm a little bit of a skeptic. It doesn't, I'm not sure, I don't know. Let's just give it a shot. Because it doesn't quite look baked to me. Okay. That's actually pretty good. It actually tastes like a pancake. I was definitely a skept when it first came out because it just looked, I don't know. It was actually pretty good. Okay, this is something you need to try if you've never tried it before. All right, everybody, thanks so much for watching another episode of Kristie vs. Kitchen. Make sure to subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Like the video if you liked it, and cheers. So good.